Now, it's the first time that a surveillance watchdog has ruled against the intelligence services. But although the Investigatory Powers Tribunal decided that GCHQ had breached human rights laws in its link-up with American security services, it said that now the connection was public knowledge, it was no longer illegal. Our political correspondent Michael Crick is in Westminster. Michael, I'm confused. Explain.
Well, it is confusing, I'm afraid. It all arises from Edward Snowden, the American whistleblower a couple of years ago, who revealed that the British security services had an arrangement with the National Security Agency in America to obtain material under their PRISM and Upstream programs, which was then passed to GCHQ here. Now, a group of civil liberties campaigners, Liberty, Amnesty International, Privacy International and so on, applied to this Investigatory Powers Tribunal to question the legality of all of that under European privacy law. Now, the tribunal decided in December that overall, in terms of the actual principle of things, there was nothing wrong with Britain having this arrangement with America. But today they've said that up until December the arrangement was unlawful because GCHQ had never publicly stated what the safeguards are for this system. And in fact, by taking this thing to the tribunal, the groups have forced GCHQ to come up with publicly with the safeguards, and essentially GCHQ can't obtain this material without a warrant signed by the Home Secretary, just in the same way as it is with phone taps. So it means that up until December, the whole process for 7 years was unlawful, but now that it's been stated publicly in the tribunal, now the process is lawful.
Right, that's clear. So is that the end of the matter?
Well, the government seems not that worried by this decision because they argue it is now. But these groups are carrying on. They're going to go to the European Court and argue the wider principle about whether the whole thing is against the privacy provision in Article 8 of the European Convention. What's more, Privacy International in particular are encouraging people to apply to the tribunal to see whether GCHQ has got stuff on them. And if they have, they're going to encourage people to get that material deleted from the security services files. It could involve thousands of people.
Michael, thanks very much.